Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best hose adapter is probably one of the most underrated tools in your arsenal, but trust me, it's a game changer. Whether you're a seasoned gardener, a weekend warrior tackling home projects, or just someone who likes a clean car, this little gadget can save you a ton of headaches. Today, we're diving deep into the world of hose adapters, exploring what makes a good one, and helping you find the perfect fit for your needs. Number 5. Twinkle Star Brass Garden Hose Connector. Introducing the Twinkle Star Garden Hose Connector. This is a 2-pack of 3/4 brass connectors, designed for your garden hose needs. Made with solid brass, this connector offers maximum strength and durability. You can rely on it for long-lasting performance in various conditions. This connector is perfect for linking threaded 3/4 male hoses together. It provides a secure and reliable connection for your watering tasks. The double female design ensures easy connection and disconnection. It's made with a precision process to prevent any leaks. Each package includes 2 swivel coupling connectors. This ensures you have spares or can connect multiple hoses with ease. What we like. This adapter is built with solid brass, ensuring maximum strength and durability. It features a double female design for easy connection to male hoses. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use connector, this is a great choice. It's perfect for anyone who needs a quick and secure connection for their garden hoses. What people say. The adapter is well made and durable. It fits perfectly and doesn't leak. The brass construction is solid and resists corrosion. Number 4. MINGLE 3/4-inch Brass Garden Hose Adapter 4-pack. This is the MINGLE Garden Hose Adapter. It comes in a 4-pack, including different connectors for your garden hose. They are designed to provide a secure and leak-free connection. This adapter features a male-to-male coupler. It has 3/4-inch double male threads on both ends. This allows it to connect to garden hoses with female ends. The set also includes female-to-female couplers. These have 3/4-inch double female threads. They are designed to connect to garden hoses with male ends. These adapters are made of solid brass. This heavy-duty metal construction ensures maximum durability and strength. You can rely on them for long-lasting performance. The package includes extra garden hose washers. Properly placing these washers is key to preventing leaks. With these, you can ensure a tight and reliable seal. What we like. This set includes both male-to-male and female-to-female connectors, offering versatility for various hose configurations. Constructed from heavy-duty metal, it promises long-lasting performance. If you have different hose types or need to connect multiple hoses, this kit is ideal. The inclusion of extra washers ensures a leak-free experience, making it a practical choice for any gardener. What people say. The adapter is well made and durable. It fits perfectly and does not leak. The brass construction is solid and resists corrosion. Number 3. Brass Garden Hose Connectors, male-to-male, double-female. These connectors are made of solid brass, ensuring the strongest construction. This design allows for a prolonged service life, making it a reliable choice for your gardening needs. The connectors fit all standard 3/4-inch garden hoses and watering devices. This universal design makes it easy to connect to your existing equipment. These connectors are incredibly easy to use and install. You'll find it very convenient to connect and disconnect them from your garden hose. Made with a precision process, these connectors are designed to be durable and leak-proof. You can rely on them for a secure and watertight connection. The package includes 4 pieces, 2 male-to-male couplers and 2 female-to-female couplers, along with 4 washers. This provides everything you need for various hose connection configurations. What we like. Made with the strongest brass construction, this connector is built to last. It fits all standard 3/4 garden hoses, making it a versatile option. If you value durability and ease of use, this is the perfect choice. Its reliable design ensures a secure and leak-free connection, saving you time and frustration. What people say. This is a great hose adapter set at a great price. I really like the quality of the fittings, and the fact that each female end can independently rotate allows for quick connections without twisting the other side of the hose. It included extra rubber gaskets as well. Overall, a very durable and secure adapter. Worked perfectly and solved my problem. These quick connects are a must-have. It is so much easier to use these to switch from sprinklers to garden sprayer, etc. No more unscrewing and screwing back on, just push it in and change between everything, easy as pie. Number 2. Brass Garden Hose Fittings Connectors Adapter, 34-12. This connector is made of solid brass, ensuring maximum durability and strength. The package includes 2 connectors, for hose washers, and sealing tape. It's built to last. This adapter connects 3/4 GHT female threads to 1/2 NPT female threads. Please note the difference between GHT and NPT threads to ensure a proper fit for your hoses. Installation is easy, whether you use your hands or a tool. It's designed to be leak-free and durable, providing a reliable connection for your garden hose. The connector is easy to use and very reliable. It's designed for quick and convenient installation with your garden hose. You'll have it set up in no time. We stand behind our product with a 90-day warranty. If you have any issues, we'll gladly offer a replacement or a refund. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This adapter is made of heavy-duty brass, ensuring maximum durability and strength. It offers a quick and easy connection, saving you time and effort. If you value a product with a reliable warranty, this is a great choice. With its robust construction and ease of use, it's perfect for any homeowner. What people say. This adapter is exactly what I needed to connect 2 hoses. It works perfectly and is well made. The adapter is easy to install and use. Number 1. Brass Faucet Adapter Kit, 18 PCS. This 18-piece kit solves all your faucet connection problems. It includes a variety of male and female adapters to fit almost any faucet type. This adapter kit fits most common garden hoses, sink sprays, and faucet aerators. It's designed for various faucet attachments, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you have a removable or insert aerator, this kit has you covered. It's a comprehensive solution for all your faucet adapter needs. These adapters are built to last, made of solid brass. The included washers and durable threads ensure a leak-free and rust-resistant experience. Avoid the hassle of buying a new faucet or searching for the right adapters. This kit provides an easy connection to most common sinks, saving you both time and money. With this kit, you can easily connect to most common sinks. It's a simple and effective solution for all your faucet adapter needs. What we like. This kit includes 18 pieces of faucet adapters, offering a wide range of compatibility. It's designed for easy connection to most common sinks and faucets. If you're looking for a versatile solution to connect your garden hose to various faucets, this is the perfect choice. It saves you the hassle of buying multiple adapters and ensures a secure fit for your needs. What people say. Installation was easy, and it fits my kitchen faucet without any leaks. It had what I needed and has been working flawlessly for years ever since. I ordered the 11-piece pack and found the perfect combo. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.